हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। उवरे, कृति समूह, रचना समग्र। मीनिंग, द बॉडी ऑफ वर्क ऑफ अ पेंटर, कंपोजर और ऑथर। सिनोनिम्स, वर्क्स, कैनॉन, creations, body of work. Example, he won the prize for his compelling and visionary oeuvre. Apocalyptic, pralyakari, vinashkari. Meaning, describing or prophesying the complete destruction of the world. Synonyms, catastrophic, cataclysmic, doomsday. Antonyms, hopeful, auspicious, optimistic. Example, the author's work, in the midst of apocalyptic terror, reaffirms the power of art. Fragility, najukta, bhangurta. Meaning, the quality of being easily broken or damaged, lack of robustness. Synonyms, frailty, delicateness, weakness, vulnerability. Antonyms, strength, durability, robustness, resilience. Example, the judges praised his gaze, which sees through the fragility of the social order. Solemn, gambhir, adambarpurn. Meaning, formal and dignified, characterized by deep sincerity. Synonyms, dignified, serious, grave, ceremonious. Antonyms, frivolous, cheerful, light-hearted. Example, the Nobel Committee praised his sentences, their tone switching from solemn to madcap. Atrocities, atyachar, krurta. Meaning, extremely wicked or cruel acts, typically involving physical violence or injury. Synonyms, abominations, cruelties, barbarities, outrages. Antonyms, kindnesses, good deeds, virtues. Example, the officer was accused of blatant caste-based discrimination and atrocities. Bereaved, shok santapt, vanchit. Meaning, having been deprived of a close relation or friend through their death. Synonyms, grieving, mourning, lamenting. Antonyms, content, fortunate, blessed. Example, the union minister posted on his X account about meeting the bereaved family of the policeman. Abetment, dushpreran, uksana. Meaning, the action of encouraging or assisting someone to do something wrong, in particular to commit a crime. Synonyms, instigation, incitement, collusion, aiding. Antonyms, prevention, discouragement, hindrance. Example, an abetment to suicide case has been registered in connection with the death of the officer. Desist, rukna, baazana. Meaning, to stop doing something, to cease or abstain. Synonyms, abstain, refrain, cease, phobia. Antonyms, continue, persist, persevere. Example, the minister urged those concerned to desist from provocative moves that disrupted the peaceful atmosphere. Provocative, uttejak, bhadkau. Meaning, causing annoyance, anger, or another strong reaction, especially deliberately. Synonyms, inflammatory, inciting, controversial, aggravating. Antonyms, soothing, calming, placatory. Example, he urged everyone to desist from provocative moves that disrupted the peaceful atmosphere. Retrieval, punarprapti. Meaning, the process of getting something back from somewhere. Synonyms, recovery, reclamation, repossession. Antonyms, loss, misplacement. Example: the Chief Minister urged the Prime Minister to discuss the retrieval of the Katchathivu islet. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.